Boy, do I have a sweet treat for y'all. Yes. Pertains to Oreo cookies, crescent rolls. Yes, I got a little can because Caitlin doesn't need all that and I can't eat any of it. So we're just going to take some Oreo cookies here. I'm going to do probably about 8 cookies. That's 4, 6, 8. And we're going to break them up in this little Ziploc bag here. Let me go get my meat mallet. Just when I think I'm prepared by George, I'm never truly prepared. This is actually Instagram, not TikTok. But they did a cream cheese topping. They would maybe they did do it with the white stuff in it. I've got my cream cheese thawing out on the countertop, so we'll do that. All right, so we're just going to take our little crescent rolls. Well, this is only 4 of them, which is perfectly fine. I was looking for, what you call it, a little smaller, like the little, you know what I'm talking about, the little ceramic baking dishes. I know I have one by George, but I just don't remember where I put it. Because you roll it up and then you like cut them. I don't know. We're just going to do it the best we can. How's that sound? So we want to pinch these seams together. I might have made too many cookies. Go figure, right? It's going to be fine. It's just all going to be fine. Okay, and then we're going to roll it up like so. Get the knife, push that back in there. I know this bowl's too big, but it'll be fine. We're gonna sit them like that. I'll try to get, what do you think, 4 out of 1. Maybe that was too much, maybe 3, we'll see. It'll be fine. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to try to stretch this one out a little bit. Well, we did pretty good. I mean, it's a little overpacked, I'd say, but hey, we made use of it, right? Just want to roll this on up. In the oven, 350 until they're done. Well, they're done. This is what they look like. I'm gonna drizzle my cream cheese separated. Have y'all ever had any issue with that? I mean, I don't care, I'm not eating it. That was nice, wasn't it? I just used maybe a third of the container of the cream cheese. But yeah, let's see what these youngins think of it. Let me get them in here. Caitlin! Bobby! We're done. I need your taste buds.
I know. I told him I said the cinnamon rolls are done. They're tiny.
Yeah, they are.
Do you make them with the crescent rolls or the pizza?
Crescent rolls. The pizza rolls for apple cinnamon rolls and then cinnamon rolls. You ready
So
to
these are
taste?
just like a taste test to see if they're actually good or not.
These are the Oreos.
I know. I'm saying like they're like a small little piece.
Yes.
You're all up in the camera, Caitlin.
Oh, oopsies.
Here you go. Grab you one. Oh, I just
They're
made them.
hot.
They're warm.
They're hot.
Can you show it to everybody before you just start smacking in it?
Let it focus.
Did he? It was blowy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Can I not say blowy? Blowy. Blowy. How do you say
Blurry.
it?
There we go.
Blowy.
Blurry.
Blowy. Oh my land.
Oh, look at the inside. Ooh, so yummy.
Blowy. Oh, that's terrible. How is it? Is it good?
And a little doughy.
Well, that's the way I like mine.
But I'm good.
What you
It tastes like a fried Oreo from the carnival.
really?
Mhm.
I've never gotten a fried Oreo from the carnival. You've gotten a fried
Yes,
Oreo?
we have.
No, we haven't.
Whenever we went to the fair with Bubba.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought.
Bubba got one. Or Bubba got a couple and we all tried them.
Oh, okay. And I tasted one too?
Mhm.
I don't remember. I have CRS though. Well, they must be good because you're eating another one. How's the icing?
It's good.
It's separated for some reason.
Oh.
All right. There you guys have it.
I'll just go off with another one.
Now you got it all over you. Anyway,
Oh.
I hope this video puts some yum in your tummy and a smile in your heart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Shut